Alright, hey guys, here's another Aderonn Airsoft review. This is the unboxing of a new AirsoftGI Order. This all cost $190, approximately $196 or so. I got this using AirsoftGI's Memorial Day sale, 10% off if you bought before, like 3 or 4 days before Memorial Day. And so that's what I did, and saved I think 20 bucks. So here's the order. I haven't opened this at all yet. As you can see, it's all still sealed up. So got my knife here, and what we're seeing right now is, and this is the first time I've seen it. So open it up. 1 second. Almost got it. Alright, so it is open. Brown paper. Order form. Paper. Alright, to start off, here we have the new OD green grip. This is, it's called like the Element G27 OD green grip. It's for my M4. Got it from AirsoftGI. Well, all this stuff's from AirsoftGI. $18. Pretty good deal. So, and I'll show all this stuff more in depth later. Here we have a MagPul. MagPul. This is my new Handguard. This is the MagPul Molle Handguard. Let's open it up. And here it is. Let me open the packaging. This is OD green too. All the handguards, grip, and all that, it's all OD green. So here it is. Looks really nice. Alright, let me put this back in the box. Next we have NC Star Weaver handguard rail. Goes under the handguard. Full metal. Looks nice. I'll show it to you in a second. Comes with a tool to put it on. Oh, by the way, the handguard was, what was it? It was $29, and this was $8. Here we have the MagPul PTS CTR Stock. Came out of that box. Looks really nice. It's probably the wrong color shirt to be wearing with this, but open it up, and it looks really nice. Now I did hear, or I read reviews on it online, and people were saying that the colors, like, it wasn't a straight color. That the OD green ones were slightly brown in some areas and stuff, kind of like, I mean, this is solid green plastic, so as they were mixing it or something, the colors didn't fully mix or whatever. But mine's full OD green. There's no blemishes or anything. Looks great. I'll show it to you more in depth in a second. Here we have a OE-Tech, the Condor double mag pouch. Let me open it up for you. Double mag pouch. Actually, that's a double stacked, I guess. So you can fit 4 M4 mags in here. So that's pretty nice. Here we have, it's coming up, the bag, the Condor 1-point sling for my M4. Looks really nice. That's pretty cool. You can just attach it like that. Looks pretty solid. Cool. Oh, and here's the, I guess this is the attachment to the sling, another attachment for it. So that's cool. It was already partially coming out of the bag, so. 4,000, and another 4,000 G&G .25 OD Green BBs. Pretty nice. Now I've already used these, I've already gotten 8,000 and gone through almost all of them. But they're really nice BBs, really high quality. And then finally we have 4 MagPuls, or MagPul magazine assist.